Hello. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to share SCORM packages through Microsoft Teams using the Go1 app. So the first thing we need to do is add the Go1 app within your team. It's worth noting that you can add the app to whichever channel you want. So if you want to organize your content, so if you're teaching, if a group of learners is being taught multiple units by multiple staff, you can add the Go1 app into whichever channel, which helps the learners organise their work and it'll help them realise what unit they're working towards within that SCORM package. Anyway, if you want to add the Go1 app, you just come to the top and click plus. If the Go1 app doesn't come there like it has with mine, you can always search for it there, but I'm not going to. So just click on it. It'll just take a second to load. Once it loads, I'm just going to click save there. Once I've clicked save, it will actually add to the top tab of this page. At that point, it might ask you to click something to confirm your Microsoft credentials, but you don't have to worry about that. So rather than actually adding this, I've done it beforehand just to speed up the video a little bit. So I will just click save there. So once you've added the tab, it will be called Learning. If you want to, you can actually rename it there, just so learners can find it a bit easier. So I'll click on the Learning tab, and then once that's uploaded, once this is loaded, I'll show you how to add different sections and add interactive content to the app. So this is the actual app here, and this is what it looks like. So if you wanted to, you could rename this section here, but it's automatically just copied the name of the channel that it was created in. You can upload an image, so you could put Hetter's logo there, or you could put something that's relevant to your unit of study, so maybe a picture of a welder or an engineer or an electrician or something like that. It's totally up to you. At the bottom here, you can see that we've got these different options. If I wanted to add something that was actually within the Go1 library, we don't own anything as yet, but we might do in the future. You would click on that button that I've just gone onto, and it'll say what SCORM packages are already in the system, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is go on to interactive, and as you can see it says upload interactive content, for example SCORM packages. So I'll click on interactive, and then once that loads up, it'll give me lots of options that I can pick from. Right, so same again, you can upload an image if you want to make it a bit more visually appealing, but it's up to you. Right, so I'm at the stage now where I can upload my resource. So what I'll quickly do is just show you where all of the SCORM packages are, where all the BLC SCORM packages are kept. So they're within the Header Teaching and Learning Teams site, which I've just gone through a shortcut here just to make it quicker. They're within the Header Blended Learning channel within the Header Teaching and Learning Teams site. So once I'm in there, you can see that these are the resources that we've currently got, although these will be expanding shortly. So I'm just going to click on the Engineering Level 2 one. I've got different options here. There's a separate support video showing you what these different folder structures are. But I'm just going to go to SCORM files, and the first one that I can see there is fabricating. So if I go back to Teams, so my title is fabricating. I can put a description there if I want to, but I'm not going to now just to make it a bit quicker. I can put the learning outcomes so the learners will know what they're going to learn and what they'll be able to do at the end of the learning. Same again, I'm not really going to bother there. I'm going to upload the SCORM package through this method here. Right, so what I need to do is go to where my SCORM package is. So you'll notice that these are all zip files. It needs to be zip for the program to recognise that it is an actual SCORM package. And it'll do loads of magic in the background once you upload it. But I found one that I want, and I just right-click it, go to download. That should just take a second to download. It shouldn't take too long at all. Right, so that's downloaded to my downloads folder now. So I come back to Go1, and then, as you can see, it's gone into my downloads folder. So I'll just click that once, open, and hopefully this shouldn't take too long to upload. But while that uploads, there we go, that is worked. I can put a little preview if I wanted to take a screenshot of the learning so the learners could see what they were going to do. I could put, set what the duration of the learning is. I think all of the blended learning consortium resources are an hour, so I can put that there. I can put whether it's accessible, whether it's mobile friendly, etc., etc. But I'm not going to bother with that now. I just want to show you how to upload it quickly. So now that all that's worked, I'll just click publish. So that's done. So if I come back to the main view within Go 1, there we go. So you see that now this resource is ready now. So the easiest way, I think, to share that with your learners is to come to this little bit here, look. If you click on there, it brings up the chat function within this Unit 2 channel. So all I'll do now is I'll put, hi, and then I'll mention the team, Unit 2 team. Please complete this resource for next Monday. Right, so that's gone into the channel now. So and because I have mentioned the team, they'll all get email notifications and Teams notifications showing that I've put something on there. So if I go back to the posts, as you can see, the learners now have been notified that this resource is ready to play. So as a learner, I'll click on it, and as it loads, the learners will be able to access the resource directly through Teams. So we're not messing around with multiple logins. We're not having to use different platforms. It's all here, all ready to go. Once it's loaded, you'll see that the learners can either play it from within Teams, which is a bit of a smaller view, or they can actually open it in the web browser there. So if I was to open this in the web browser, it would take up the full screen, so I'd maybe get a bit of a better experience. It's worth noting that learners can play these resources through their mobile phones or tablets or any device that they've got through using the Teams app on their device. Right, so once this loads, as you can see, there it goes. It's ready to play. So really simple, an effective way. I'll get rid of that. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video, and if you need any more support, give me a shout. Thank you.